exposing the secrets in YouTube's algorithm. Here's how to boost your views fast. First, create high-quality content. Clear visuals, crisp audio, and engaging info keep viewers hooked. Invest in good equipment and edit well. Second, optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. Use keywords people are searching for. A catchy title, detailed description, and relevant tags are your new best friends. Third, make eye-catching thumbnails. Bright colors, clear text, and appealing images get clicks. Keep them relevant to your content. Fourth, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage likes, shares, and subscribes. More interaction means more recommendations. Fifth, be consistent. Regular posting keeps you on your audience's radar and signals activity to the algorithm. Stick to a schedule. Finally, analyze your analytics. Use YouTube's data to see what's working. Pay attention to watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. No magic formula, but with hard work and these tips, you're on your way to YouTube success. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.